Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kriga. So in today's video I'm going to share with you the review of Daiga Rose and Muleti face pack. So this is meant for skin brightening. Let's go into the product description guys. What this product says is that they have used Rose and Muleti, which are really great in reviving the dull skin. They'll make our skin brighter, and it will also add that glow to our skin. So this will even out any uneven pigmentation that is present on our skin, and it will also nourish the skin. Now let's go into the product packaging guys. So we will be getting the actual jar inside of this cardboard box for extra protection, and coming to the actual packaging, we get it in a glass jar with a screw cap sort of. It's not like complete screw cap, but it's like a tin cap, and all the information like complete ingredient list, how to use this, and the product description and everything, MRP, everything is present on the packaging itself. So now coming to the ingredient list guys, they have mentioned native rose grains, muleti, oatmeal, skin cherishing essential oil. So these are the only ingredients that I have used in making this product, which is really great because this product is so organic and it's chemical free. So now coming to the texture and smell of this product, this powder smells like muleti. Mostly it smells like muleti with we'll be getting even that hint of rose smell in it, but mostly it has a smell of muleti. And coming to the powder, it's not too rough, it's really fine, not too much fine powder as well, it's in between, but it's not too rough on the skin. So when we mix it with rose water, I use rose water because I have oily skin. If you have dry skin, you can go with milk. So when we mix it, and when we apply it on the skin, makes our skin cool, and also it has a pink tint to the face pack. So once it gets dried up completely, we have to wash it off with normal water or lukewarm water, and while washing we can actually scrub, because this has some sort of gritty texture to it. It's not like a fine paste on our skin. Normally for example, if we apply multani mitti on our face, it's so soft on our skin, right? But this thing is not that soft, but at the same time it's not too rough like scrubs. It's in between, so it's really acts as a mild scrub on our face, and it removes dead skin cells easily. And oh my god, once you wash your face, the face will be glowing. It will be removing all that dullness from our skin instantly, like within 15-20 minutes. Once it gets dried up completely on our skin, once you wash it, you'll be seeing a lot of difference on your skin. So let's go into the pros and cons of this product guys. So first pro is it's cruelty free, second pro is it's handmade, third pro is there are no added colors and preservatives, and fourth pro is it's made in India brand, and fifth pro is it acts as a face pack as well as a scrub. So if you have sensitive skin, then you can use this face pack as a scrub as well, because it just it don't have that fine consistency, because of which it can be used as a mild scrub on our face as well. So that is sixth pro. And seventh pro is it nourishes the skin really well. It don't make your skin dry. Normally when we apply face washes and when we wash it out, it dries out our skin, right? So but this one just nourishes the skin. It don't strip out the natural oils that are present on our skin. And eighth pro is it evens out the skin tone. If you have hyperpigmentation going on, then you can definitely try this product out. And eighth pro is you can see the instant brightness on your face after using this face pack. And ninth pro is the smell of this product is mild. It's not too strong. Normally some Ayurvedic powders like these have strong smell to that, but this product don't have a lot of strong smell. So if you have sensitive nose like mine, or if your skin is allergic to fragrances, then you can definitely try this product out, because it don't irritate your skin at all. So these are the pros. And coming to the cons, I don't find any cons with this product guys. One thing is I'm so scared of this product packaging, because if it falls down it will break. That's the only thing. But if you keep it safely the back side of your shelf, then it will definitely be fine. Oh yes, that's all for today's video. I'll definitely recommend it to you guys. Now we are entering into summers, and obviously our skin will get tanned if we go out, and if you feel that your skin is dull, tanned and don't have any glow to that, and or if you are going to any party and you want to get that instant brightness to your skin, then you can definitely try this product out. This became my holy grail. I'm using it daily. I generally don't use face packs from same brand daily. I switch things up, but I'm using it daily because removing the pigmentation around my mouth, I can see a lot of visible difference. I mean, the results are so instant. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll be definitely recommending this product to you. The link will be in the description box below, and the MRP of this is 490. I think I didn't mention it at the beginning of the video, but the MRP is 490 rupees, and we will be getting 200 ml product, which is, so I mean, it's not too expensive. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll be seeing you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye, sunshines.